Hello there, my name is Srijuk Parmakar. I am from AttainU. I am here to talk on the project that I have developed. The name of my project is the BlogApp. Before diving into the project, let us first understand what blog is. In simple words, a blog is a regularly updated information website or web page where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Why we chose this project? We chose this project keeping in mind that we will be implementing everything we have learned and we will be pushing our limits more and more by adding as much as functionalities as possible. What are the technologies we have used? In front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. In back end, we have used AJAX for making different calls, Handlebars for showing different types of web pages, MongoDB as backend, Multer for uploading images, Quills for the editor, and Chart.js for showing different kinds of charts to the user. Now let us look how our project looks like. This is the home page of our blog app. We can see at the top we are having the navigation bar, the main navigation bar, along with the search bar. Below that, we are having the categories search bar. Then we are having the carousel and the most viewed section and the recently uploaded section. This blog app can be used by both registered user and an unregistered user. So to add a blog, a user need to be registered and as well as the user needs to be logged in. Currently, we can see that there is no adding a blog option or a new blog option or anything of that. So we need to first sign in. So we are having both the options of signing in and sign up. For signing up, the user needs to provide his or her name, the email ID, and the password. After signing up, he or she can sign in. Now we already have an account, so we will be showing all the features with the help of that account. After the user has successfully logged in, this alert will be shown to the user and we can see this new blog button also appears. With the help of this new blog button, the user can post a new blog. So let us try to post a new blog. So whenever we are pressing the new blog button, we are getting redirected to this web page where the entire web page is handled by the Quills chase, the editor that we have used in our blog app. At the top, we are having the heading option to add heading to our blog, and below the heading we are having the body for the blog. Here we are having the category in which category the blog will fall into and the image related to that blog. So let us try to add the blogs. We can also see that we have different features of this editor. So to try some of them, we can do like this. Like if we want to make this text bold, we can use this option. To make this text italics, we can use this option. And we can even add the font color to this text editor along with the ordered list and unordered list. We can also have the block quotes, and these are the hyperlinks that are shown here. Now, the upload images supports 4 images to be uploaded at the same time, but for the demo purpose we are uploading only one image. After the blog has been posted, it is expected to be shown right in the recently uploaded section. It won't be showing here. The reason for this is that whenever a new blog is going to be posted, it is first going to the admin. If the admin approves the blog, then only the user can see, or any of the user can see the blog here. So let us go to the admin section. So this is where the admin can log in. So let us log in here. So here is the admin dashboard. Here in admin dashboard, we can see that there are total number of views, total number of blogs posted, total number of users, and total number of authors. Total number of views is the count, like the total number of blogs that has been viewed by different users, total number of blogs that has been posted, total number of users that are currently registered here, and the total number of authors who have registered here as well as has posted at least one blog. So here we can find two pending requests that are currently here. So I am going to approve the one that I have recently posted. Before approving it, we can see that from here only the admin can see the blog that has been posted and can go through it. After that, he or she can approve the blog or can reject the blog with a feedback or request for change if he or she thinks that anything need to be changed. So I am approving the blog for now. So when I have approved the blog, it is to be shown in the homepage of our blog app. So let's check it whether it has been posted or not. So I'm refreshing the web page. On refreshing the page, I can find that this recently uploaded section, the new blog has been posted. When the new blog is posted, it is posted with the heading of the blog, the date on which it has been posted, the name of the author who has posted the blog, the category in which it falls into, and the total number of views. We can also see that there is a comment section out there, but this comment section will work only for the logged in users. Currently you can see that I am not logged in. So what if I try to make a comment here? So as I was not a logged in user, so when I submitted the comment, it redirected to me the sign in page. So it's for sure that a logged out user or an unregistered user cannot post a comment. Now it is showing that I am logged in successfully. Now if I try to post a comment, what happens? On posting the comment, it is showing this message that the comment has been added, and we can also view the comment right here along with the name of the author who has commented. We can also find that we are having the edit and delete button right here. This edit and delete button will only work for the users who have posted their blog. Like if I want to view some other person's blog, right, like Manish here, If I try to edit or delete, I cannot. The reason is that it is posted by the person named Manish and not by me. So I can only edit the blogs which I have posted. So let us have a closer look to the user dashboard. So in user dashboard, we can find that the user can have the number of views summarized in the form of chart right here, and with his or her comfort he can change the blog, the chart that he wants to have. Here in approved section we can have all those approved blogs that has been approved by the admin. In reject, all the rejected blogs by the admin. Pending, which are pending to be approved or rejected by the admin. Changes, if admin finds that anything needs to be changes, then those things will be coming out here. Then show blog. In this show blog, only those things will be shown, only those blogs will be shown that has been posted by that particular user, not by the other users. In edit blog, we can edit the blog right here. If I'm just pressing edit and if I'm trying to add something, so what happens, let's check. So I have added this new paragraph right here. Now I am pressing this post button. We can see that a pop-up has been generated with blog is updated. Now if I am trying to view the blog, what happens here, we can see it. So we can see that this new blog, this new paragraph has been added. Similarly, we can also delete the blogs from here. This was all about the user section. Now moving on to the admin section. So this is what the admin dashboard looks like. Apart from this in show blog, the admin can see all the blogs that has been posted till date by the various users. Delete blogs, admin has the power to delete any of the blogs from here without the permission from the user. This is what we have done in our project. Now moving on to what are the improvements that we can, what are the challenges we have faced by doing this project. As we don't have any API, so for us the biggest challenge was the structure of the data we will have and how all the data will be stored and fetched. To solve this, we first figured out the outmost essential data and rest was gradually built during the development phase. Having said this, we have two main parts in our project. One is the user and another is for the admin. So the next challenge was to connect these two parts. Whenever a registered user posts a new blog, it first goes to the admin for approval. Here, we need to take care about how to not let the admin delete the blog, but to let him reject the blog and how to create differences between approved rejected blogs in the database. For this, we have created a separate field in the database named status, which solved our problem with some logical implementations. Coming to the user analytics part, we need to filter the data from database and show on the basis of date, which was again solved using logical implementation. Lastly, the editor which we have used, we have seen that there are many options there. So to bring out those options along with the image uploading portion was a great challenge for us to solve. What are the improvements that we can have? As we have taken care more on the backend implementation, certainly we need not to develop, we need to develop the UI. We are also planning to add the like button, implementing the forget password in the signing portion of the user is what we are trying to improve. This is all about the blog app. Thank you.